Good day, farmers. I hope we are all well. Today I'm trying to focus on flails, Mapani. If you look at Mapani some years back, the flails used to hold a lot of water, and during the rain season nobody could walk across the flails. No one could graze animals in the flails because they were too wet and too damp that animals would get stuck in there. Sometimes they'll die if you fail to rescue them. So our flails of today, they've all dried. Why? It's just because the people or the farmers have started some cultivation activities in the flails. You find they grazing their animals in there, trampling, chasing the water table away, and at the same time they've also established some gardens in the flails, and as a result that is causing the flails to dry up. So we are saying here we can reclaim our flails. If you look at this farm here, all the way from up there, going down all the way right up to there, it's a flay, and a flay with a slope that when water falls up there, that water can go and pick a very high speed, that as it is going, it can actually wash away topsoil, which is very rich. It can also form some gullies, and it can wash away the grass. Sometimes it can also wash away some animals. But what is it doing? It's washing away top rich soil, which is good for the growth of our pastures in the flails. And at the same time, the soil which is carrying away is silt, which is going to silt our rivers and is going to be deposited in a river. With all this flay, it's taking all the soil and dumping it into Gwebi River. Gwebi River takes all that water and the soil into the dams in the downstream, silting the dams, and as well as, losing a lot of water to the ocean, because from there it links to another river, into another river, until it gets to the ocean. So we are the ones who are losing out big time. So in this case, if you see what this farmer did, all the way from up, this farmer here has constructed some walls along the flay. So each wall is holding water, which throws back to this other wall, and the next wall, there are about 7 walls which he has constructed along this flay here. So this water you are seeing here, it stays in there for the whole year until we start receiving more rains. In all these ponds, you find there's now aquatic life in it. There's fish in it. There are some ducks in them. There are other water animals which are in there, including the water plants and the water weeds which are in this water. So in other words, he has managed to reclaim this flay, at the same time saving our God-given natural resources of Gwebi River and the dams which are downstream. So we can all do the same. We are saying to farmers, let's go ahead and reclaim our flays and reclaim our Mapani. It's possible. If he has done it, we can all do it. And Zimbabwe can actually be a breadbasket of Africa as well, because farming starts with conserving our natural resources.